You know you want your home to be smart. You'd like to be able to control things from your phone. But where do you start? The first thing you need, you probably already have, an internet connection and a modem. To that modem, you'll need to add a Wi-Fi router. The Wi-Fi router sends the connecting signal to your phone and empowers it to control all your smart home devices. Now it's time to select a platform. There are several great platforms to choose from. Google Assistant, it's Google, it's pretty great. Amazon Alexa, now if you buy the Amazon Echo Plus or the Echo Show 2, you have some hub capabilities built in called Zigbee. That allows you to connect Zigbee compatible items. Apple offers the HomeKit, and if you're an Apple fan, you may want to stay with Apple. If you do, you will also need an Apple HomePod, an iPad, or a new Apple TV to use as a hub. Now, any of these systems will allow you to control products via voice or phone app, and these can all run via the Wi-Fi signal from your router. But to save stress on the router, you may want to add a hub. I'd recommend the Samsung SmartThings hub that's Zigbee and Z-Wave compatible. That means that any Zigbee or Z-Wave compatible product, and there are hundreds, will work with the SmartThings hub. Yeah, that makes life a lot easier. Now that you have your infrastructure in place, you can begin to connect things like a Nest thermostat, a Ring or Nest doorbell, catch those porch pirates in the act,
Not again.
or put security cameras around your house. And don't forget lighting and outlet controls. They're adding more every day. Just make sure whatever you buy is compatible with the platform you've chosen. For example, products will say works with Google Assistant or works with Amazon Alexa. So if anybody tells you you don't know how to set up a smart home, you tell them you're gonna have the smartest home on the block. Check out our other how-tos and subscribe. We've got lots of ways to help you be smart and save money.